On May 10, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev attended the inauguration of the Aghdam Railway and Bus Terminal Complex. Minister of Digital Development and Transport Rashad Nabiev and Chairman of Azerbaijan Railways CJSC Rovshan Rustamov briefed the head of state on the Barda-Aghdam railway line project, including the construction of the Barda-Aghdam-Konkendi Railway and the Konkendi Railway and Bus Terminal Complex. The foundation stone for the Aghdam Railway and Bus Terminal Complex, a strategic infrastructure project aimed at supporting Aghdam's development as a modern city, was laid on October 4, 2022. With the participation of President Ilham Aliyev and First Lady Mariban Aliyeva. The railway station is designed to handle between 800 and 1,000 passengers daily, while the bus terminal is expected to serve 1,300 to 1,500 passengers per day. The facility will function as an integrated transportation hub. Situated on approximately 8 hectares, the complex includes all necessary amenities such as waiting halls, ticket offices, a library, shops, entertainment zones, a restaurant, and relaxation areas. Convenient access has been ensured to both the train platforms and designated bus stops. Additional infrastructure includes service buildings for various types of vehicles, a passenger platform, above-ground parking lots for small to large capacity vehicles, platforms for inter-city and intra-district bus routes, bicycle stands, a park, and electric charging stations for electric vehicles. Following the inauguration, the first symbolic passenger train departed along the Barda-Aghdam railway line.